Howdy-o, Granted Tech here, and today we're looking at my crusty ass keyboard. You see, this is the keyboard I've been using for the past couple of years, and I really need a glow up. I mean, look at those marks. How did those even show up? This is a Red Dragon blue switch keyboard I bought on Amazon for about $40. Speaking of people being cheap, I found out that only 27% of you guys are subbed who watch my videos. Hitting subscribe is free. But today, we'll be building a GMMK Pro with electric white paint and penguin switches. I bought this online for $259 with a polycarbonate plate and electric white colors on it. It has the silver on it with the glorious on the back. Very swag, very cool. As you can see here, I am struggling getting the back of this keyboard off. Look at this monkey go. From here, I took off the faceplate and again got into another problem. The ribbon cable connected to the PCB is what we call a struggle because I was really struggling with this for some reason. I ended up coming to a snag when I was unscrewing the PCB from the faceplate. Imagine unscrewing every screw and then end up getting a strip screw on the very last screw. Don't do what I did, lads, because I may or may not have warped my plate. I definitely did. Moving on, we get to everyone's favorite part, lubing the switches. Now, I ended up using some lube that I bought on Kinetic Labs, where I had to try to figure out how to take the switches apart and then put them back together, with them working. All I'm going to say is I broke around 5 switches, and it took around 4 hours. Yay. The stabilizers I used here were the tried and true Durock V2 stabilizers. Everyone recommended them, so I decided to go with them. I think I paid around $20 for these. I mean, if it's just plastic and metal, it can't be that much, but oh well. I lubed them as much as I lubed something else, if you know what I mean. My switches, of course. Here are the penguin switches that I bought from Kinetic Labs for around $60. I'm not sponsored, you can change that, Kinetic. And I really like the look of them. I was going for a white-blue build, so these work great. Also, they're tactile, so tactile gang, rise up. Now time for some knife action, and Viola, the almost finished product. My magic is so strong, it changed the time of day. Crazy. I had some problems trying to get the switches into the board, which ended up being a problem, we'll find out soon, but I really like the look of this so far. The keycaps that I use was a pair I found on AliExpress when I was looking for some unique keycaps that weren't GMK sets. So I went with a Rei Ayanami theme board from a great anime, Neon Genesis. If you're a part of a Ayanami gang, then smash like I guess, and if you like Asuka, comment on why the tsundere is better. Mari fans, just get out. So this is where I got into a problem. So I was testing switches on my board, as one does. Everything is going great. The keys are all working. And then I press a couple of keys, and they don't work. I tried taking them out and putting them back in. Nothing. I take them out and use another one. The switch starts working. Why? An hour passes, and I learned you can use tweezers to fix the gold connections in the back, but boy, the rage was happening. Here's my typing test. Remember, to keep watching so my YouTube overlords don't hate me, let me know if you like the board below, and if I should mod the Belle Delphine keyboard as a new video idea. Alrighty, give it a listen. So close.